Hi guys, my name is Chad Trofgerben, and you are watching how to rig and record inside of Adobe Character Animator. Now, Adobe Character Animator is quite a piece of software. I started working with it when it was in beta about 2.5 years ago, and it's come a long way since that time. It really is a fully robust piece of software where you can go in, set up characters, animate them out, even assemble scenes, record with multiple characters and backgrounds, and then export everything out so that you can share it with the world or combine your scenes to create more robust pieces of work. So there's a lot to cover here, and Character Animator follows a very specific system for when it comes to rigging and recording. And so in this course, we'll talk about character design and what you should do before you bring your character into Character Animator. This includes combining and streamlining layers, creating independent groups, and assembling your eyes and eyebrows. Then we'll move over to rigging the puppet in Character Animator itself. We'll learn about tagging the head, as well as placing pins, draggers, which will allow us to move certain parts of our rig, as well as refining your bends with the stick tool and adding physics with danglers. We'll then move over to refining the rig by modifying universal behaviors, creating layer-specific behaviors, and then we'll talk about how triggers and swap sets work. Then we'll go on to some other rigging tips, such as creating a head turn, adding breathe and jaw handles, creating a walk cycle, and then we'll talk about recording the animation, which is essentially the animation phase. We'll touch on how auto lip syncing works. We'll even correct auto lip syncing using the viz-eames and the timeline. We'll talk about importing external files and syncing up with that, as well as working with multiple puppets and scenes. By the time you're done with this course, you should have a strong understanding of how to navigate, rig, and record inside of Adobe Character Animator. I hope you're ready because we're about to get started.